What is the chemical symbol for the element gold? A. Au. B. Ag. C. Gd. D. Go. Au is the chemical symbol for gold, derived from the Latin word aurum, which means shining dawn. Gold is a precious metal and has been valued for its beauty, rarity, and usefulness throughout history. Which country hosted the 2020 Summer Olympics, held in 2021? A. Brazil. B. Japan. C. China. D. Australia. Japan hosted the 2020 Summer Olympics, which were delayed and held in 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Games took place in Tokyo, marking the second time the city hosted the Summer Olympics, the first being in 1964. Despite the delay and restrictions, such as the absence of international spectators, the event successfully showcased numerous athletic achievements. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Venus. Mercury is indeed the smallest planet in our solar system. It has a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers or 3,032 miles, making it smaller than some of the largest moons in the solar system, like Ganymede and Titan. Despite its small size, Mercury is one of the densest planets due to its large iron core. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Brisbane. D. Canberra. Canberra is the capital city of Australia. Located in the Australian Capital Territory Act, it was selected as the capital in 1908 as a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne, the two largest cities in the country. Canberra is home to many important government institutions, including the Parliament House and the High Court of Australia. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? A. J.R.R. Tolkien. B. J.K. Rowling. C. George R.R. Martin. D. C.S. Lewis. J.K. Rowling is the author of the famous Harry Potter series. The 7-book fantasy series follows the life and adventures of a young wizard, Harry Potter, and his friends at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The series became a global phenomenon, with millions of copies sold worldwide and inspiring a successful film franchise, along with numerous spin-offs and related works. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Iron. B. Diamond. C. Graphite. D. Quartz. Diamond is the hardest natural substance found on Earth. It ranks 10 on the Mohs scale of mineral hardness, making it extremely resistant to scratching. This exceptional hardness comes from its crystal structure, where each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms in a tetrahedral arrangement, forming a very strong lattice. Because of this, diamonds are widely used in cutting, grinding, and drilling tools, as well as in jewelry for their beauty and durability. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Iron. B. Diamond. C. Graphite. D. Quartz. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth by surface area. It covers more than 63 million square miles or 165 million square kilometers, which is about one-third of Earth's total surface area. It is also the deepest ocean, with the Mariana Trench reaching a depth of about 36,000 feet or 11,000 meters. The Pacific Ocean spans from the western coasts of the Americas to the eastern shores of Asia and Australia. In which year did the Titanic sink? A. 1912. B. 1905. C. 1920. D. 1918. The Titanic sunk in the year 1912. On its maiden voyage, the British passenger liner struck an iceberg on 14 April 1912 and sunk in the early hours of 15 April 1912. The disaster, which occurred in the North Atlantic Ocean, resulted in the loss of over 1,500 lives, making it one of the deadliest maritime tragedies in history. The sinking of the Titanic led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations, including the establishment of the International Ice Patrol and improvements in lifeboat requirements. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Plants absorb carbon dioxide known as CO2 during the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy, using carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose, which is a form of sugar, and oxygen. In this process, carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere through small openings in plant leaves called stomata. This gas is essential for the formation of glucose, which plants use for energy and growth. How many strings does a standard guitar have? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. A standard guitar typically has 6 strings. These strings are usually tuned to the following notes from lowest to highest pitch: E, A, D, G, B, and E. This 6-string arrangement is the most common, but there are also guitars with different configurations, such as 12-string guitars or 7-string guitars, used for specific musical styles or extended ranges.